Light. In this topic, we will discuss the behaviors and properties of light. Think that you enter into a dark room with a torch. Initially, you won't be able to see anything, and when you light the torch, you will be able to see the objects inside the room. Actually, what made you see the objects inside the room? Light from the torch hit the walls and the objects in the room, which gets reflected back and reaches your eyes. That's how we were able to see inside the room. And during the daytime, sunlight helps us to see the surroundings. So now, what is light? Light is a form of energy, and unlike sound, light does not require a medium to travel. Means, it can travel through vacuum. The study of light is called optics. In order to study the nature and properties of light, we consider it traveling in a straight line. The line drawn in the direction of propagation of light is called as the ray of light. And we represent light propagation using a straight line with an arrow. A group of rays which are traveling parallel in the same direction is termed as a beam of light. Now we can familiarize the terms reflection, absorption, and transmission. Consider three cases: light hitting on a mirror, light hitting on a wall, and light hitting on a glass window. When the light hits on a mirror, it bounces as shown, which is called reflection of light. Now, when the light hits on a wall, it gets absorbed by the wall, which is called absorption of light. And when the light hits on a glass window, it travels through the glass window, which is called as transmission of light. But in general, when the light hits on any surface, three phenomena happen together. Means, when light hits on any surface, some part of the light gets reflected, some part gets transmitted, and the remaining part will get absorbed by the surface. Thus, when light hits on a highly polished surface such as mirror, major part of the light gets reflected, some get transmitted, and remaining gets absorbed. And for a fully reflecting surface, no part of the light will get absorbed or transmitted. Instead, all the light will get reflected from the surface. For rough and dark surfaces such as rough walls, almost every part of the light gets absorbed. Some part gets reflected and remaining part gets transmitted. For a fully absorbing surface, no part of the light will get reflected or transmitted. Instead, all the light will get absorbed from the surface. While for a transparent surface, major part of the light will get transmitted, some will get reflected, and the remaining gets absorbed. For a fully transparent surface, no part of the light will get reflected or absorbed. Instead, all the light will get transmitted from the surface. Thus, we conclude that the amount of reflected, absorbed, and transmitted part varies according to the material on which the light hits. Hope you understood the behavior and properties of light.
Thank you for watching. Download dNote to unlock the full experience. Don't miss out on the first chapter for free. Like this video and subscribe this channel for more videos and share it with your friends.